This is a to-do list or activity tracker which I have created in Excel. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. On the left hand side, we have got our priority, and priority will be managed through drop downs. I'll click on drop down and will select high. As soon as I selected high, it automatically got highlighted in red. Now let's come to task or activity. Over here also we have got the drop downs. I'll click on drop down and I have got few tasks over here. And these tasks are related with high priority. Let's select the very first one. As soon as I select a task or activity, we can see the category. Now let's come to priority once again. I'll click on drop down and this time I'll select medium. Let's come to task or activity. Let's click on drop down. And this time we have got the tasks which are only related with medium priority. In the same way, if I'll change the priority from here, if I'll select low, now if I'll be coming to task or activity and we'll click on drop down, we have got only those tasks which are related with low priority and not those tasks which are related with high or medium priority. Let's come to start date. Entry of start and due date will be done manually. Let's put a start date over here. Enter due date. Let's take some random due date. Status. Status will be managed through drop downs. Let's select pending over here. Progress. We have to put percentage. I'll put 40%. Enter. And we can see the percentage as well as graph. Let's come to right hand side. On the right hand side, we have got the place to insert our comments or notes. Let's come to left. To create this format, we will need some data, and for that I have kept my setting sheet. In setting sheet, we have got high priority, medium priority and low priority task. Based on priorities, we have got categories and priority. And just after that, we have got our formulas. Let's start creating a new format now. I have opened a new workbook and over here I have taken all the things from my example file. Means all my data which will be in setting sheet. There's no formula in our setting sheet. In the beginning we have got all the tasks. Just after that category and just after category we have got priority. I have just mentioned high in front of high priority task. In the same way I have mentioned medium and low. Let's come down and let's rename the sheet as settings. Over here we will insert the formula later on. Let's insert another sheet and this will be to do. I'll click on A1 and we'll take column A closer. We'll click on B2. We'll select till J and we'll merge the cells. We'll go to Home tab and we'll merge the cells. We'll create border over here and we'll change the font color. This will be to-do list / activity tracker. We'll go to Home tab and we'll change the font style. We'll do as Arial black. We'll increase the font size. We'll leave row number 3 blank. We'll take this closer. We'll click on B4. This will be serial number, priority, task, / activity, category, start date, due date, status, progress, percent, notes, / comments. We'll select row number 4 and we'll change the font style. We'll do as Arial black. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll adjust the column sizes as per requirement. We'll click just under serial number. This will be 1, 2. We'll select both and we'll drag it down as per our requirement. Now I'll click on serial number. We'll press Shift, Control, down arrow key, right arrow key and we'll create borders. We'll come to left hand side. We'll select from top to bottom and we'll go to Data tab. In Data tab, we get the option of Data Tools in the center. In Data Tools, there is an option of Data Validation. I'll select Data Validation from here. We can see Allow and Any Value. I'll click on drop down and we'll select List. Source. It will be high, or let's take as urgent, comma, high, comma, medium, comma, low. Urgent, comma, high, comma, medium, comma, low. We'll come down and we'll click on OK. And our drop down list got created. I'll select all the priorities one by one. Now I'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to Home tab. We'll come in the center, Conditional Formatting. From here I'll select Highlight Cell Rules. We'll come to right hand side and we'll select Equal to. We'll click over here. We'll type Urgent. We'll click on drop down, Customize Format. On the top we can see 4 things: number, font, border and fill. We have to go in fill. We'll click on drop down. We'll select red color. We'll come to font. We can see color over here. We'll click on drop down and we'll select white and we'll do OK. OK. So the urgent priority got highlighted in red. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule equal to, over here I'll type high. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select a desired color. We'll go to font and we'll change the font color as white. OK. OK. In the same way, I'll highlight medium and low also. So all the priorities got highlighted. Let's come to task or activity. Over here we will create drop down, but these drop downs will be dependent on priorities. If I'll select urgent, we should only see the urgent task. In the same way, if I'll select high over here, we should only get the option of high priority task. Let's go to settings. We'll take column E closer. We'll reduce the size of priority. We'll click on F, means F3. We'll insert our formula over here and the formula will be plus or equal to filter, bracket open, array. In array, I'll be selecting the whole column of my task. We'll press F4 or function F4 one time and my range will be logged. Comma, include. What to include? I'll be including all the priorities over here. So I'll select the whole column of priority is equal to, we'll go to my to-do list and we'll click on priority, enter. Let's adjust column size and we got all the task or to do over here. I'll double click on the formula, will come in the very beginning and we'll insert the function of transpose. Transpose, bracket open, will come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And all the tasks got transposed. Let's drag this down. We got spill error over here. Let's go to to-do list. We got spill error because in priority, we haven't got anything. Let's select high, over here medium, and over here low. We'll drag it down. Let's go to setting sheet. We can see spill error over here and not on top. Let's come to do. Let's drag this down. Let's go to settings and we can't see any spill error. Let's go to do and let's undo this. Control Z or Command Z. Let's go on top. We'll go to View tab and we'll remove the grid lines. We'll click on serial number. We'll press Shift Control right arrow key. We'll go to Home tab and we'll change the cell color. We'll do as yellow. Task or activity. I'll be creating drop down. I'll select from top to bottom. We'll go to Data tab. We'll come in the center, Data Tools. From here I'll select Data Validation. Any value, I'll select List, Source. I'll click over here and we'll go to my Settings sheet and we'll click on very first task. We'll insert has. We'll click over here. We'll come down and we'll click on OK. So my drop down list got created. When I have selected high, we can see only high priority task. If I'll select medium over here, we can see only medium priority task. Let's select few tasks over here. I'll adjust the column size, category. We will insert formula over here and the formula will be plus or equal to X lookup, bracket open, lookup value. Task or activity will be our lookup value, comma, lookup array. Where we have to look for the lookup value? Let's go to setting sheet. I'll come to left. We'll select the whole column of to do or task. We'll press F4 or function F4 one time and my range will be logged, comma, return array. In return what I want? In return I want categories. So I'll select categories from top. We'll press F4 or function F4 one time and my range will be logged, comma, if not found. If not found, I want blank in return. So I'll be putting double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Let's adjust column size and we got the category as project management. I'll drag this down. We'll go to home tab and we'll adjust all the things in left. Start date. We'll take some random dates over here. So I've taken the random dates. We'll select column F and G. We have got dates over here. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date. We'll select a desired date format. We'll come down and we'll click on OK. We'll align all the things in center. Let's come to right hand side. Due date. I'll take some random dates over here. Status. We'll select from top to bottom. We'll go to Data tab. We'll come in the center, Data Tools. From here I'll be selecting Data Validation. From the drop down I'll select List, Source. I'll type done, comma, pending, comma, on hold, comma, cancelled, comma, rescheduled. Reschedule or reschedule. We'll come down and we'll click on OK. So my dropdowns got created. Let's select done over here. Let's come to right hand side. In case you want to highlight the status, it can be done. Let's select the whole sheet. Let's go to Home tab. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to. Over here I'll type done. We'll click on drop down and we'll select green fill with dark green text. OK. And the word or the term done got highlighted in green. Progress percentage or progress percent. I'll select from top to bottom. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to percentage. Decimal places we'll do as 0 and we'll do OK. Let's type some percentage over here, 10%. We'll select the whole column and we'll align all the things in center. We'll take some random percent over here. Now I'll select from top to bottom. We'll go to conditional formatting. We'll come down data bars and we'll select a desired data bar. And we can see percentage got highlighted in green. What will happen if I'll do this 68%, enter, bars are getting changed. But in 68% also, I can see whole cell is highlighted. We'll select from top to bottom. We'll go to conditional formatting. We'll come down and we'll click on Manage Rules. This is the rule what we have inserted right now. I'll click on the rule. We'll make the window smaller. We'll click on Edit Rule. On the top, we can see minimum and maximum. In both the places, we can see automatic. I'll click on drop down and we'll select percent. Over here also, I'll select percent. So starting from 0 to 100, we'll come down and we'll click on OK. OK. Now let's insert 80%, enter, 100%, and our bars are getting adjusted as per the figures. Notes or comments, we can insert these as per our requirement. And our to-do list or activity tracker is ready now. I'll provide the link of file in description box. In case you want to download, you can.